a note from the dog. Look at that. Okay, what else have we got in here? Oh, lots and lots of information. Just a little light reading for tonight. Nice to see you and realise more dogs are loved and cared for. I just love notes from the orders so I can help folks with their problems, be it dogs, horses, gardens or farms. A head full of seaweed. Please find some reading interest on what seaweed can do for you. Stay well and happy days. Thank you, Graham and Liz. And of course, the bill, because you are the bill. Beautiful. Skyla, up. Thank you so much.